My name is Sanaa and I'm a lecturer teaching in the Department of Chemical Engineering here at University College London. I previously did my undergraduate degree in Chemical and Process Engineering, and after that I enjoyed it so much that I went straight on to a PhD in Chemical Process and Energy Engineering. That was loads of fun because I investigated the production of renewable fuels, which are of course really important for today's environment, today's climate. We suffer with many challenges like global warming, air pollution. So an important part of chemical engineering is, of course, finding ways to combat some of these effects. And that was something I was quite passionate about. So completing a PhD in that, where I investigated these different models, producing reactors to synthesize these renewable fuels, just really completed everything that I was learning about. But I was also really passionate about teaching, having taught quite a few modules during my PhD, and that's how I am now a lecturer teaching here at UCL. Teaching the future generation of chemical engineers, it's really, really rewarding. Not only do I get to teach something that I love and enjoy, but seeing the students go from year one all the way till when they graduate and of course go into the future professions, that makes a huge difference as well. And a lot of the time, the female students that I have at undergraduate level, they might be put off from working in industry or academia because they think, oh, we've got long working hours, it's stressful, it's pressure. But I often say to them, that's not true. It's actually a good way. And nowadays, you have a lot of flexibility in terms of the way you work as well. And men do support your career as well if you do go into industry. So I think just encouraging women, the students that I have, the female ones, going into actually pursuing chemical engineering as a career, that's a really big thing for me. Not only being a woman, but also coming from an ethnic minority background, I've always felt that I've had to work a lot harder and I've wanted to work harder. And I saw it as a positive thing because it's got me to where I am today. It gave me that drive and motivation that, oh, I don't just want engineering to be filled with men. I want to come and make a difference in this profession as well. So I did work a lot harder. Even during the PhD, I would go to many conferences and you'd see there'd be all men. And you really feel, oh, there should definitely be more women here because we do have a lot of talented women. Well, when I was a younger student, people used to always say, oh, engineering's just for boys, it's just for men. So my advice to them would be, don't listen to any stigma that's surrounding the profession. If you have any ideas, innovation, anything to do with the world that you think you can revolutionize or change or improve, that is engineering. So I would say definitely go through with that. Don't listen to sometimes even small things teachers might say to you, oh, this is a man's profession, etc., etc. I would say don't listen to that if your friends and your family don't encourage you. I would also say that don't be afraid to take on more leadership roles. If you do want to do engineering and you want to get to a higher position, don't be afraid, don't be put off that you think you won't be able to make it, because a lot of women have and they will continue to do so.